Welcome back to my channel. This is Dev coming to you with RC Overdose X Diecast Domination. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Now, what we have here is a 1/64 scale realm, guys. A realm, that's right. So, we will delve into the top-notch diecast model brands that'll elevate your collection to a new height. So picture this, a 1/64 scale replica that not only mirror the real deal, but also boasts fine details that'll leave you awestruck. Now guys, let's kick off with some of the best brands that I am familiar with. First thing first, Mini GT, a brand that exudes precision with every model they create, from sleek supercars to iconic classics. Mini GT captures the essence of each vehicle with unmatched accuracy. Next up guys, we have the big boss, Inno64, a name synonymous with quality and innovation. Their diverse range of diecast models cater to every car enthusiast's passion, from JDM legends to European cars. And again guys, the innovation is on another level. They are miniatures, but yet they have all the details that you would expect in a real model. It's very amazing. Now guys, up next we have Tarmac Works, a powerhouse in the diecast world. Delivers models that are a true feast for the eyes. With meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail, Tarmac Works sets the bar very high for diecast perfection. And frankly, who can forget Hot Wheels, a classic favorite that continues to captivate collectors of all ages. With an extensive lineup of diverse models, Hot Wheels offers something for everyone, from racing enthusiasts to pop culture fanatics. Anything you can imagine. Now guys, PGM 164 and also BM Creations, two rising stars in the diecast arena, have been making waves with their exceptional quality and unique designs. BM Creations car can actually turn their wheels, and PGM diecast models completely fully open guys, and it just brings your joy to a whole new level. And also guys, these brands promise a blend of creativity and craftsmanship that sets them apart from the rest of the crowd. Last but not the least, Time Micro stands out for its dedication to creating quality, highly detailed diecast models that pay homage to the automotive history. Each piece guys is a work of art meticulously crafted to capture the essence of the original vehicle. When I brought my first Time Micro home, it was the Skyline R34 GTR. But guys, when I popped that hood open, with the intricate details that were available within the engine bay, the hood strut that keeps the hood open when you pop the hood open, those details are just phenomenal. And guys, when you have those kind of rims, those kind of disc brakes and stuff, and a split spoiler, that takes away from any competition that ever stood in that kind of category. So Time Micro is very persistent and very content with what they offer. So dear viewers, when it comes to bang your buck for the diecast models, look no further than these exceptional brands. They combine quality, craftsmanship, and passion to bring you the best of the best. Expand your collection, fuel your passion, and let these intricate replicas tell you a story of automotive excellence like never before. Happy collecting! Now, you guys may be wondering, there's a lot of brands that I didn't mention. The thing is guys, there's a ton of brands when it comes to 1/64 scale market. Few of the other ones are Micro Turbo. That's a very phenomenal brand because they make JDM trucks and they make cars with bearings in the wheels so they can roll freely as well. Another one is Kaido House, which is Kaido House collaborated with Mini GT. So that's a huge collaboration. Now guys, when it comes to other brands that are not as well known but still known just enough, one of them is TPC. Another one is LCD Models. Another one we have here is a very phenomenal model most other people may or may not know. It's called YM Model. I have Hans RX-7 from Tokyo Drift, and that car just looks like a legend. And also guys, please don't forget, there's a lot of smaller brands as well that you might not know because they're not popular at all, but they still make good diecast models for you. Handmade pieces, right? And it takes countless hours to master that sort of engineering in a small diecast model. Some of these cars that you guys are seeing in this video are actually my favorite models, and also these cars were well known when they came in the market. So I just had to go and grab them. Now, if you have any questions for me, please don't hesitate, drop them down below in the comment section. I'm a good friend of yours. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And on top of that, enjoy the next shots with some 4K cinematic diorama layouts, and also some of these cars that would bring your diorama intensity to life. Thank you guys again for joining me. God bless you all, and stay tuned. Let's get rolling.